they'll find one.
Was that you knocking? I didn't even know we still had a door. Oh, I thought you were a cop.
He's one of us.
Look at him down there.
I told you they'd be coming for us next.
Just this once, I hope you're wrong.
What gives them the right to make this kind of decision for mankind? Ever deactivate the suppression filter, let us breed again. Allow me to address the anxieties underlying your
I can't take it anymore.
Everything's gonna be okay.
What are we going to do?
We'll think of something.
First,
When is it all going to end?
Don't worry.
Please.
It's all right.
Attention, residents. Miscount detected in your block. Cooperation with your civil protection.
In here!
Permit full random reward.
No time to lose! Run for your life!
All citizens in local residential blocks during your instruction permission.
Get in here, quick!
Attention.
Keep moving! Head for the roof!
All Attention, residents. This moment contains potential civil detention. Inform. Cooperate. Assemble.
Over here! Ha! No, you don't! Dr. Freeman, I presume.
Attention.
I better hurry. The Combine can be slow to wake, but once they're up, you don't want to get in their way.
Protection team immediately.
Dr. Kleiner said you'd be coming this way. I don't think it occurred to him that you might not have a map. I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. Man, a few words, aren't you?